I'll show you how to print these pads with the modifiers. I prepared file here, so we'll put in the first one, the rear pad. So this file contains two bodies. One is the actual pad and the other one is a modifier. Let's lay it flat, and we'll have to split it to parts. Now over here in objects, we select the modifier and change type to modifier. And then we go into we select the modifier and we change infill to 8. I just gonna check the global settings. So 3 top, 5 bottom, and we have 15 infill general, infill type geroid. Okay, now we'll add one more plate, go back and we'll put front. This here, so lay it flat, same thing, right click, split to parts, then you go to objects and you change type, modifier. So the bottom front has a separate modifier, then the front top, change type, modifier. Okay. So for front top, we will also put 8 for comfort, and for the bottom we will go extra hard. Let's do 20. You need this for jumps, you need this firm and strong, but it's still up to you, just I recommend. Let's slice it all and see what's going on. And if we look inside, you see a variable modifier. So internal wall will make pad stronger, nicer, and the lower infill on the edge here will increase comfort. And for the front pad, exactly as we set it up, 15% infill for the main part, 20% hard toe, and 8% front. So that's what I recommend. You are welcome to adjust percentages or even modify location. You can move it around, change scales. Maybe you want it deeper, but I think this layout makes the most sense.